Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing different jumps on my electric dirt bike. And yeah, like there's different jumps around my community park, like these, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like these wooden things, it like catches on your wheel and then you do like a jump. But yeah, so before I get started with today's video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That will really be awesome. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, I am ready to start doing these jumps, but let me get my camera set up so it doesn't fall over or anything. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see and set up. Okay, here we go for the first jump, and let me get my dirt bike on. And I hope you guys enjoy these little clips of me jumping on the jump. Yeah. Okay, that was the first jump, and let's move on to jump number 2. Okay, let's get ready for jump number 2. Okay, that was jump number 2, and let's get ready for jump number 3. Okay, let's get ready for jump number 3, and we are halfway done with today's video. But before I go on to jump number 3, make sure you guys like and subscribe before I get back with doing this trick. Okay, that was jump number 3, and yeah, so we have to move to another spot for jump number 4, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, here we go with jump number 4, and I'm sorry if you guys can't see any of these clips, but I will do something about it if the clip cannot be seen. But for this one, I'm going to be doing multiple clips. So let's get started. And hopefully you guys can see this one. Okay, those weren't really jumps. They were kind of like different, like ramps and stuff. But here we go with our last clip number 5. Let's get started. Okay, let me set up my camera for number 5 and the last one, and I hope you guys enjoy this last clip. Okay, that one was pretty bad, so I'm gonna do it again. Maybe see if I can maybe get it better. Okay, that was a lot better, but yeah. Okay, that was the last clip, and I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked me doing different jumps and going down different ramps, then make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. And if you guys are new, I do different dirt bike related things, like I do moto vlogs and all this stuff. You'll have to check out my YouTube bio. I don't know how you could really do that, but I think it shows when you pop up my channel. But yeah, if you're new, then just subscribe, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys are new, I want you guys to know I try to post every single day. But it might not happen every single day. I hope you guys are ready for no post some days. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.